Update on the 1957 International Harvester Metro here in Colorado. This is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Okay, so we are working with the Painless harness system. We recently got new brake lines put in last December, right before Christmas. They rebuilt the whole brake lines and we have brakes. So we can drive this baby and we can stop. Now we moved on to the electrical harness system. So we ordered the Painless harness system. Got the book right there. Hubby did all the work. We sectioned off everything from the tail to the front to the engine bay. We still have stuff open because we're finishing up everything. We're about 99% done. All right, so we ran everything that belongs to the tail all the way underneath the Metro to the back. I purchased new tail lights. These are all new. These are all new. These are all new. These are all new. We got new bulbs, everything. So we're gonna have my sweetie cut on the engine, and we're gonna test everything so that you guys can see how everything lights up. We have new headlights, we have new horn, we have new turn signals, and I actually had him put a charger in for my iPhone underneath the steering wheel. So should we power it up or just, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and cut her on. All right, should we start with the front? All right, that's the horn. Yay. How about the front lights? All right, we have our headlights on. We have our high beam, low beams. They work just fine. And then our turn signal. Turn signal's working over there. All right, and then the other one. All right, so let's go to the back. And we're gonna look at the back turn signals. We got all the park lights on. We got our hazards working. We have our brake lights. He's stepping on the brakes. And then we have our turn signal. We got the right working and the left. And the left turn signal. All right, so we are in business. We are good to go. And he put my little charger so I can charge my iPhone. We got our turn signal up here on the steering column.
Your 1957.
I have my turn signal up here on the steering column. We ordered that off of Amazon. I picked up this little charger for my iPhone at our local O'Reilly's. What else did we do? I painted our oil bath. Oh yeah, cut the light, the tail light, the headlights off, sweetie. Okay, so I got the lights off. I installed the horn myself. I'm proud of myself. He tried to do everything nice and neat. And the wiring, let's see, over here. You can't see my oil bath, but it's back here behind the seat. I just kind of painted that on nice and black. But that's it. We are moving on. Thanks for watching.